Do you want fresh, healthy food in just a few days? Today I'll show you the best sprouts you can grow at home, fast and easy. And I'll walk you through the whole process so you can follow along and grow them yourself. The first sprout is mung bean sprouts. First, get some mung beans. Soak them in water for 24 hours. And 24 hours later, drain the water and wash the beans very well. I will use two methods. The first one, I use an empty plastic bottle. I make several holes in a bottle, fill the bottle with some beans, water the beans and drain them well. Cover the bottle and place it in a dark place. The second method, I will use a strainer. And after watering and draining, cover the strainer and place it in a dark place. Water the beans every 12 hours and drain them well. After 4 days, the sprouts are ready to be eaten. Wash the sprouts very well. And if you want, you can store the sprouts in the freezer. Number 2, radish sprouts. Get some radish seeds and put 2 tablespoons of the seeds in a jar. Soak the seeds in water. And after 24 hours, wash the seeds and drain them well. Do this also every 12 hours. Keep it in a dark place. This is after 1 day. Keep washing and draining every 12 hours. This is after 2 days. And at this point, you can put the sprouts in a larger container. After 3 days, and with this size, the sprouts are ready to eat. And number 3, Azuki bean sprouts. Get the beans. Also, soak them in water. After 24 hours, drain them and wash them the same as all the other sprouts. And spread the beans around, try not to overlap them. And also cover it and keep it in a dark place. You should wash them every 12 hours. And repeat this for 8 days. And after 8 days, the sprouts are ready. Wash them very well, and you can eat them raw or you can cook them. And number 4, lentil sprouts. Get the lentils, soak them in water, "24 hours later, wash them and drain them very well. Spread them in a white container. Cover it and place it in a dark place. Like all the other sprouts, we should wash it every 12 hours. And after 4 days, the sprouts are ready. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more of our videos. See you in our next video, and goodbye.